Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Lindsay and I bring you content on clean beauty and skincare. Today's video, I'm going to be unboxing a couple of my monthly subscriptions as well as some PR with you, so let's get right into it. So first I'm going to start with my monthly subscriptions. I have Petit Vour and Good Being here. So if you guys aren't already familiar with Petit Vour, they are a monthly vegan and cruelty-free subscription box. They bring you vegan beauty, hair care, and skincare as well. I've been subscribed to Petit Vour for the longest time. They're a really good deal. I believe it's only $18.50 a month. It's even cheaper if you do one of the long-term plans. They're actually having a promotion right now where your first box is 50% off, so you can get it as a gift, or if you want to get it for yourself, your first month will be 50% off, which is a really great deal. I feel like they rarely have deals on their subscription boxes, so if you did want to sign up, I will have it linked in the description below for you guys to check out. But let's go ahead and see what's in this month's box. So every month in your box you get a card, and then it just gives you a description of all the products in here, so let's get started. So the first product is from Denore, I hope I'm saying that right. So it says, long wearing and super pigmented, this lip and cheek duo is perfect for the minimalist beauty routine. Apply to lips, cheeks, and even eyes for a quick flush of hydrating color. This retails for $22. So let's open this bad boy up. So that's a color that's really pretty. It's like a peachy pink. Definitely not getting any pigment off of it. Yeah, there's literally no pigment coming off of this, so I don't know why it says pigmented, because not getting any sort of pigment off of mine. It's kind of just like a lip balm. I don't know how you could use this on your cheeks, like, I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna have to play with this a little bit more, but I'm not really sure why it says that it's super pigmented, because I feel like it's the complete opposite of that. But anyway, on to the next product is the Meta Comforting Hand Balm, which is this bad boy right here. I have tried some Meta products before and I love their balms. They make absolutely gorgeous face and hand balms. This is the Comforting Hand Balm. So it says, your hands will thank you for this ultra soothing solution to dry, cracked skin. Calendula and lavender and an olive oil and shea butter base yield a clean, calming, and hydrating balm. This size retails for $11. Let me try to get some onto my hands for you guys. I don't mean to flip you off. This is what the texture looks like. It's just like a yellow shea butter. It does melt in as I'm putting it on, like shea butter usually does. My hands get really dry in the winter, so I'm excited to have this. I feel like that's the perfect little size to throw in your bag as well. That's why I love subscription boxes, is they come with like the perfect sizes for travel or to throw in your bag. Just really nice to have those on hand. Okay, that feels really nice. So far going better than that first product I tried out. Really nice. Like I said, Meta makes some really good products. They have a vegan lip balm, a coconut vegan lip balm. That's amazing as well if you want to check that out. Next in here is from Evolve. It's their Ultimate Styling Lotion. I've tried this brand as well, and I actually have tried the styling lotion, but in the volume version. It says this 5-in-1 botanical formula truly does everything. It creates volume, holds style, defrizzes, adds shine, and defines curls into smooth ringlets. Apply this incredible lightweight lotion to damp or dry hair, and this little size retails for $11. Evolve makes incredible hair care, especially if you have fine hair and you feel like most products weigh your hair down. Evolve is a great brand to try out. Their leave-in conditioner is amazing. It's a nice lightweight spray. I have the styling lotion in volume and I do enjoy that, so I'm interested to try this one out as well. I usually like to use this on damp hair. It's just really good at kind of giving you volume if you blow dry, and also just helps to defrizz and add shine like it said in the description. The last thing in here is a perfume sample from My Daughter Fragrances. It's their Joyful fragrance. It says, a fragrant love letter of orange flower, lime blossom, rose, jasmine, and sandalwood. Fresh and floral lovers rejoice. This is a non-toxic fragrance you've been waiting for. This retails for $2. I've actually tried this brand before as well. I've tried the, what it's called, it's the purple one. It came in a box before and it smells so good. I totally need to pick up the full size of it because it's like one of my favorite perfumes ever. I don't know why I haven't picked it up yet. Let's go ahead and smell this one. Ooh, that's really nice. I thought I wasn't gonna like it because it said it was florally, but it's more of like a light citrus. Definitely a fresh scent, not too florally, so if you're scared of florals, don't be scared of this one because it's really beautiful and light, not too overpowering at all. So that was it for this month's Petit Vour box. I will put in the description the link to subscribe to Petit Vour if you guys want to. Like I said before, they are having that promotion to check out Petit Vour is an amazing box. I say this like every time I unbox them, but they're definitely one of my favorite subscription boxes of all time. I totally enjoy getting their stuff every month, and I don't think I've ever been disappointed with a box from them. Also, you get 20% back in Petit Vour rewards if you are a member on their site, by the way. I do most of my shopping on Petit Vour just because of that. You get a ton of good coupons just from that 20% back. So again, check that out if you're interested. Alright, moving right along to the Good Being box. Let's go ahead and open this up. This is very similar to Petit Vour as well. It's a beauty and natural wellness subscription box. The cool thing about this box is you actually get to pick some of the products you get each month. So you'll get an email and it'll say your pick window is open. So you go on their site and then you pick some of the products that you want. You don't get exactly what you pick all the time, but they usually give you a couple products and then they throw in some for you to try. So it's like half a surprise and half some products you know of. This box was so good this month. I also believe they're having a promotion right now. I don't remember it, but I will put in the description below if it's still going on. So this is what the box looks like. Let's start over here. This is from Uliv. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right. It's ULIV. It's their Golden Glow Facial Souffle, Manuka Honey, Turmeric, and Green Tea. It has superpower ingredients that rise and bring new life to aging skin and fight inflammation. Enjoy your glow. Put 1 to 2 pumps onto your face. So it looks like a really nice cream. Also a great size. This is a 1 fluid ounce, so that's actually a pretty generous size. So it'd be great for travel. I'm not sure I'm going to use this, so I might keep this for a giveaway. Next up is a mist from Paxi. It's their Hydro Boost Toning Mist with bamboo water, organic extracts, and neroli. Normal to dry skin. So I actually missed my pick window for this month, so I didn't get to pick any of the things that came in my box. I totally missed the email. So if you do subscribe to Good Being, make sure you remind yourself to check your email, because mine just got lost in my inbox and I forgot to pick mine. But I'm actually really impressed with this month's box. There's a bunch of good things in here. But anyway, this mist sounds really good. I'm always down for a hydrating mist, especially in the winter, and for over makeup as well. They're really nice. I like this box as well because you get to discover a lot of indie brands that otherwise you wouldn't have really discovered, which I think is really cool. Next up in here is an Amber Body Potion Oil. I'm not sure what brand this is. I think it's Caranda Remedies. That smells so good if you guys have ever smelled amber. Next up is actually a product I used in a makeup tutorial. I will link it below. I believe it was my holiday get ready with me video that I used this shadow from Orglamix. It's the Silk eyeshadow. I was amazed when I swatched this. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. You guys totally need to check out these shadows because I'm so impressed. I'll swatch it for you. So that's the swatch right there. It's a really pretty light bronze. These are so pigmented. Like I said, if you want to see the shadow in action, check out my holiday get ready with me because I really love how it turned out. Last product in here I've used a bunch as well. It's their Cloven Hollow Lip Velvet in the shade Napa. I used this in I think my last 3 videos. I'm obsessed with this shade. Let me go ahead and open it. You guys have probably heard me talk about Cloven Hollow before. I really love their brand. I've actually never tried their lip velvets until now, and I'm so impressed with the formula. I definitely need to pick up more shades, so if you guys have tried these, let me know what your favorites are. But this shade is so pretty. It's like a deep fuchsia. You can see it on my hand right there. These last so long, this probably won't come off of my hand for 2 days. But anyway, this is so beautiful. They're super long lasting. Like I said, Cloven Hollow makes some amazing products. If you want to see how this looks on my lips, check out my last 3 videos because I've been wearing this non-stop and I've really enjoyed it. Alright, that was it for this month's Good Being box. Definitely a really good box this month. I'm really excited to test out all the goodies I got in here. Next, let me get into some PR I received this month. First off is this package from Tao Radiance. It's a rose quartz facial roller set. So this is what it looks like inside. The packaging is really cute. This would be an amazing gift, or if you want to try facial rolling, it would be a really cute set to try out. I love how it comes with this mini one. That would be perfect for under your eyes. I haven't tried a rose quartz roller yet, but I do have a jade roller I really like. If you guys want a video on jade rolling, definitely let me know in the comments below so I could put that out. But these are gorgeous. I love the rose gold on them, and I love the pink. super cute. Like I said, it would make an amazing gift, or if you want to keep it for yourself, also really pretty. Also comes with this little soft bag to store them in, which I think is really cool because you don't want them to get dusty. Thank you Tao Radiance for sending this package over. I will link it below if you guys want to check it out. This next box I was so excited to receive. It's from Briogeo. I think I'm saying that right. They sell this brand at Sephora. They're a natural hair care brand, and they kindly reached out to me and sent me a couple products. First one here is the Blossom and Bloom Ginseng and Biotin Volumizing Spray. No sulfates, no silicones, and no parabens. Definitely need some volume in my hair, and I love a good volumizing spray, so I'm excited to test this out. This is cruelty-free as well. Really good, just natural ingredients. The sprayer looks really nice. Should I spray it? I'm gonna spray it on my hair now, even though it's not wet. Oh, that smells so good. Next product they sent is their Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. Smells really nice and light, not too fragrant, which is nice. Definitely excited to try this out. My hair definitely needs some TLC. My ends get pretty dry. I have long hair, so I definitely need to keep up with that. I'm excited to test this out. If you want an update on these products, definitely let me know in the comments. And the last product they sent over is their Don't Despair Repair Super Moisture Shampoo. I actually do need a good shampoo, so this is good. This is a 95% naturally derived formula, no sulfates, parabens, silicones, phthalates, anything bad like that. Smells really nice as well. Smells just like the deep conditioning mask. They are from the same line. I've also heard of their like scalp products. They look really interesting. I think they have like this charcoal scalp oil that I've seen on Sephora. But anyway, yeah, if you guys have tried this line, let me know what you think of it. I'm really excited to test these out. I haven't tried anything from them before, so really grateful that they sent some products over for me to test out. Well, that was all I had to unbox for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not already subscribed, I would love for you to join me. Don't forget to follow me on my socials. Dirt Naturals is my Instagram, and dirtnaturals.com is my blog. Both will be linked below, so definitely come hang with me there. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.